Hey! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this Realme smartphone. You need to start by going into Settings and scrolling down. Now tap on Privacy section here and click on Permission Manager right away. Now you need to click on one of your device's features like Context and select one of your apps. I will go with Chrome. Now tap on one of those options, allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so now when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device's contacts. But you can always just pick any feature and then select one of your apps like Chrome. Then you can click on see all Chrome permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!